and a bomb that makes squadron escape.
We are near Mount Joy, right? Because this is the 8th circle, and you said a while ago that the was composed of 8 circles.
Not quite. This circle is composed of 10 volta, which categorizes what kind of seed they have completed. In Volta 1, Period 5, the panthers and seducers, they are rigged by demons. In Volta 2, Zappers are set in human excrement. In Volta 3, Hero, in this Volta, Period 5, those who committed simony, the body presented church doctrines. In Volta 4, sorcerers and false prophets have their head twisted on their back or on their bodies. They cry for so much tears that they cannot see. In Volta 5, here are our meditations, who are immersed in the lake of body beach. Volta 6, Burial 5, the hypocrites, where this is the walk alone, very gildedly clothes. Volta 9, this burial 5 the leaves and it is guarded with rules. Volta 8, this is burial 5 the fraudulent advisors who are encased in an individual jail. Volta 9, a sword-wielding demon that haunts at the sour of his sword. And in Volta 10, here you will find the falsifiers, and they were not atheists, counterfeiters, treacherous, and impersonators.
The Voltas are in the 9th circle, the Mason.
Please, tell me when you're to purgatory.
Indeed.
Yes!
Ha ha ha! Indeed, we're not.
You always like to make fun.
Silly human. Let's go.
The 9th circle is composed of 4 rounds. In each circle, there is a giant, but only the top part of his body is visible. The giant's name is Achilles. He helps lower Virgil and Dante into the pit that contains the 9th circle of heaven.
Whoa, that's a huge thing.
Come that then. I thought we're gonna hurry.
Virgil and Dante pass through the 4 rounds. Along the way, they saw Satan.
Is that?
Who? Who that? This is you.
That's Satan. Whoa, you look so scary. Hey, let's hide. You might see us.
Ha ha ha! Ha ha! I know you want. It only helps with those who go singing up. Oh, so here is my mortal tourist. It's a pleasure to meet you. Haha, speechless I see. Well, I hope you enjoyed it too here in my humble. Excuse me, but where are your papers?